my dear lovely kids. Let's start today's class. I'm gonna show you something today. Oh, what is that something? Are you excited? Come on, let's see. Here it comes. Here it comes. Coming. Yes. What is this, children? What is this? Rat. Yes, this is rat. You must have all seen rats, right? Now tell me how this rat looks like. Tell me. Yes, very small. Very small. Okay. Yes. Rats are usually small in size. Rats are usually small in size. Now tell me, what is the color of this rat, children? Yes, brown. What is the color of this rat? Brown. Rats can be found in black, brown or white color. Okay, how many colors? Black, brown and white color generally. Okay, you know, children, rats are very playful creatures. They are very playful creatures. They jump here and there. Okay, so they are also pet animal. Okay, they are also pet animals. Here comes another animal. See which animal is coming here? Yes. Children, tell me, which animal is this? Cat. Yes, cat. Cat looks so cute. No? Yes, cat looks so cute. Cat is also a pet animal. Cat is also a pet animal. What is the color of this cat, children? Tell me, what is the color of this cat? Yes, black. Okay, cats can be found in black, brown and white color. How many colors? Black, brown and white color. Okay, with silky soft hair on its body. Cats have silky soft hair on their body. Okay, children, so how many color? Black, brown and white. Have you ever seen eyes of cat, children? Some have brown eyes, some have black eyes and some cats have greenish eyes. Okay, that's why they look so cute. And you know what they like to eat? Cat like to eat fish, mouse, yeah, even they like milk. Okay, they also like milk. Oh, I know, you must be thinking what madam is telling about rat, cat. Okay, so today we are studying about two pets. One is cat, another is rat. So today we are going to learn about these two pets. Okay, cat and rat. Let's begin. Children, open your textbook, page number 1. Yes, page number 1. Lesson number 1. Actually, this is not lesson, poem. Okay, the clever rat. Okay, now I will read. Okay, read along with me. This is a little brown rat. His name is Ratty. See here. Yes, this is a little brown rat. His name is Ratty. So children, what is the name of this little brown rat? Yes, his name is Ratty. Ratty is on the mat. He likes to eat cheese. Ratty is on the mat. He likes to eat cheese. Okay. Now, where is little mouse? Where is little brown ratty? Yes, Ratty is on the mat. Ratty is on the mat. Okay. What does Ratty likes to eat, children? Yes, Ratty likes to eat cheese. Ratty likes to eat cheese because every mouse likes to eat cheese. Every mouse likes to eat cheese. Once again, we'll read, okay? This is a little brown rat. His name is Ratty. Ratty is on the mat. He likes to eat cheese. Now, here in this first sentence, underline brown, children. Yes, brown. Next, Ratty. In second sentence, underline Ratty. Okay. Now, last fourth sentence, you underline cheese. See how I am underlining? Underline. Brown, Ratty, cheese. Okay. Now, coming to second stanza. That is a fat black cat. Her name is Blackie. See. That is a fat black cat. Her name is Blackie. What is the name of this fat cat, children? Yes, her name is Blackie. Her name is Blackie. That is the fat black cat. Her name is Blackie. Blackie looks at Ratty. She wants to eat him. Blackie looks at Ratty. She wants to eat him. All cats like to eat rat. Yes. Okay. All cats likes to eat rat. So here this black catty, okay, her name is Blackie, wants to eat little Ratty. Okay. Now in this stanza, in first, what is that? Is a fat black cat. Now underline black, children. Yes. Now her name is Blackie. Underline Blackie. Yes. Underline Blackie. Now coming to see the picture here. Little brown rat, fat black cat. Okay. Black. Her name is Blackie. His name is Ratty. Now we'll see another paragraph. Now see here. Ratty jumps up. He is on the fan now. Okay. Ratty jumps up. He is on the fan now. Ratty is very smart. Okay. Ratty is very smart. So he jumps and is sitting on the fan. Why? Why he is sitting on the fan? Because now he thinks what? Okay, we'll see why he is sitting on the fan. Blackie jumps up too. She is also on the fan. Blackie jumps up too. She is also on the fan. Yes. Now, why Ratty jumps and sitting on the fan, children? What does Blackie do? Blackie also jumps on the fan. See here. Blackie also jumps on the fan because she wants to eat rat. Yes, she wants to eat Ratty. But Ratty is very smart. Okay. Ratty is very smart. He thinks, now what does Blackie do. What does Blackie do? Okay, now how should I save my life? So he jumps and he sitting on the fan. Okay, now see here. Ratty is clever. He jumps down. Yes, Ratty is clever. He jumps down. Okay, but Blackie cannot jump down so fast. But Blackie cannot jump down so fast. Children, see here. Ratty is very clever. He has good presence of mind. Okay. Why? Yes, because he feels like if Blackie have come now, what should I do? What should I do to save my life? So cleverly he jumps down. So cleverly he jumps down. But see here. But Blackie cannot jump down so fast. Why, children? Because Blackie is a fat cat. She is very fat. Her body is very heavy. So yes, Catty cannot jump because of her heavy body. And Ratty is very clever. Ratty is very clever mouse. So he jumps here and there. Okay, he jumps here and there. But Blackie cannot jump. Okay, but Blackie cannot jump. Now children, in third stanza, see here. Ratty jumps up. Please underline jumps here. Yes. Okay. Ratty jumps up. He is on the fan now. Blackie jumps up too. She is also on the fan. Now, in fourth stanza, Ratty is clever. Please underline clever, children. Yes. Now, underline. He jumps down. Underline down here. Yes. But Blackie cannot jump down so fast. So, underline cannot. Underline cannot. Okay. Now, turn the next page. Now, see here. Ratty says bye to Blackie. Blackie looks at Ratty. See here. Ratty. Okay, Ratty says bye. Bye to Blackie. Okay, Ratty says bye to Blackie. Blackie looks at Ratty. Ratty runs out of the room. Blackie is still on the fan. Okay, Ratty runs out of the room. Blackie is still on the fan. Ratty says bye. Okay, Ratty says bye to Blackie. And what did he do? Yes, he runs out of the room. But Blackie is still sitting on the fan. Why? Because she cannot jump. She is very fat. She cannot jump. She is very fat. Understood? Okay, once again we'll read. Ratty says bye to Blackie. Blackie looks at Ratty. Ratty runs out of the room. Blackie is still on the fan. Now in this you underline bye in first sentence, children. Yes. Okay. Understood? Now once again we will read this. This is a little brown rat. His name is Ratty. Ratty is on the mat. He likes to eat cheese. That is the fat black cat. Her name is Blackie. Blackie looks at Ratty. She wants to eat him. Ratty jumps up. He is on the fan now. Blackie jumps up too. She is also on the fan. Ratty is clever. He jumps down. But Blackie cannot jump so fast. But Blackie cannot jump down so fast. Okay, now turn the page. Ratty says bye to Blackie. Blackie looks at Ratty. Ratty runs out of the room. Blackie is still on the fan. Understood, children? So, children, tell me what you have learned from this poem. What you have learned from this poem? Yes, we have learned that being small doesn't matter. Being small doesn't matter. We need to use our brain cleverly. Okay, so here rat is a small animal. So how he escaped from fat black cat? So size doesn't matter. Size doesn't matter. What matters is using our brain at right time. Hope you understood, children. Very good.